my little Cochin babies. Her sneaking out. Look at that. She's sneaking out. Hopefully none of these surprise me with the rooster aspect, because I have enough roosters. I don't need any more roosters. I'm missing a Cochin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's your sister? Hey. Okay. There we go. That's a scary feeling when you have a chicken missing. Look at these guys. They got all kinds of food. That's okay. I love my little chubby bubbies.